Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video we will see how to create arrow in Final Pro Cut. It's very simple process to you can add arrow in your YouTube video or any social networking video using Final Pro Cut. So let's start as a detailed demonstration. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So simply I open here my Final Pro Cut. So here is my Final Pro Cut and I want to add here one arrow. So how to do it? Simply click here general, scroll down here and look at this here, the circle background. So look at this is a shape. I just put it here, this particular shape, and I select this particular shape, select here the publish parameters here, shape, and then circle. So you just simply scroll down here, heart, arrow. So look at this is the arrow. Come, you can scroll down wherever you want. You can like rectangle parameters, scroll how you want exactly. You can size, increase the size, decrease the size like this, as well as you can small also doing like this. This is a simple process to change or add arrow in Final Pro Cut, and then simply export the video. So like this, so arrow are automatically come here. So video are play here and now arrow is display here. It's very simple process, and then you export the video as you exporting every day. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.